SVC Coin is a platform for the future of funding that is built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. It created with Satoshi vision that enable P2P transactions with low cost and fast speed. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. Today we are going to share each and everything regarding Satoshi Vision Coin. It means SVC Coin. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update. First of all, here you can see it is available on ICO Marks, both things, especially the airdrop and also the ICO is available on ICO Marks. And if you want to know something further regarding this platform Satoshi Vision, you must have to visit their website just by clicking over here. It is entirely very easy. You can check each and everything on their main platform and all the new available over there. So first of all, the basic things regarding Satoshi Vision Coin, as I told you that it is basically created on the Satoshi Vision that enable P2P transactions with low cost and fast speed. So that is such a great thing regarding this platform. Here you can see the entire ICO. It got the ranking from ICO Marks about 2.6. So that is a great thing regarding this platform. So here also comes the main supply of the whole, you can say, SVC token, and also the total supply and the supply for sale is available. It is basically an ERC20 token, so you can easily hold this token in your personal MyEther wallet address. So it is entirely easy for you to hold this token. And right now the price of one SVC is quite down, about 0.000 US dollars. So it is entirely easy for you to buy this token. Here you can see it by yourself that right now the price is about one SVC is equal to 0.0002 USD. So if you want to know regarding more SVCs, the Satoshi coin, so you must have to basically open up the white paper and you can read each and everything on their white paper, and all the news are available on their white paper. So the next thing which I am going to share with you is basically the Telegram board. So first of all, you have to open the Telegram board. I will basically share the link in the description so you can easily join this airdrop. First of all, you have to click on start, and here you can also find up the main thing, that is the website. If you want to open the website, you can easily open the website and you can check each and everything, all the details over there on their main platform. And then you have to join them on Twitter and also join their Telegram, and especially the main partner, the YouTube partner. Basically we are the YouTube partner, so you must have to follow them on the YouTube also. And then you have to click on the submit details, and then you have to enter your Telegram username, your Twitter username, and at the end you have to enter your personal MyEther wallet address and also add your YouTube username. After that one, you are going to get your own referral link, and whenever you are going to share your referral link, you are going to get number of SVC tokens. So that is such a great thing regarding this platform, that at this time they are giving away number of SVC tokens. So just grab these tokens just by joining this airdrop. And also, if you are interested in this platform, you must have to check each and everything on their website, and then you can easily buy this token directly from their main platform.